Hey, good morning, guys. I know it's been a while. I just wanted to go over some expectations for the week and kind of just the class, just to make sure that you guys are understanding and you're doing everything that you need to do. Let's just go over what the expectation is as far as our timeline. And I'm going to put all of these weeks now into assignments now that we know exactly what we're doing with grading. So if you haven't already heard from your other teachers, it's an ABCI. I is an incomplete. No, you don't get a failure, but it would be a time that you would have to make up this class, whether it would be sometime during the summer or something like that, which I think is completely unnecessary for you guys. I'm not asking more from you than I should. You should spend about 30 minutes a day. Just think of it as your working lunch, just like you do at school. 30 minutes a day on this class doing your virtual business. Anytime you have any questions, just message me. I will get you through that lesson so you can move on. I've had students doing that, but I also have some students that are not logged in, and I really need you guys to focus and get logged in. I know it's not ideal. I know it's not what you signed up for when you did the student store, but it is where we are right now, and we just have to go with it. And I'm sorry it happened to you guys. I truly am. But this is the expectation. You are you are learning entrepreneurship. You're working in your own environment here. So here are the expectations for the lessons. So you should have already done lessons 4 and 5, all the way through. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, April 6th through 10th, lessons 4 and 5. Uh, week before that, April 13th through 17th, lessons 6 and 7, April 20th through 24th, 8 and 9. This week, we're looking at lessons 10 and 11. Next week, 12 and 13. Um, on and so forth. The May 11th and 15th would be 14 through 15. And May 18th will take you on the business plan project. And then you will do the Shark project. And then the final Mega Mogul project. And this is not going to change. I'll be putting some videos up, entrepreneurship videos for you guys to see as well, and just ask you a few questions and some discussion points. But this is it for the entire rest of the trimester. I will put each one of these weeks, though, now into assignments. I will be able to go in, just to let you guys know how I can do this. I can go into people. I can see everybody who's on here, and I can see anyone who has gotten on Canvas or not gotten on Canvas, and actually how much time you've spent on Canvas. So, diming a few of you guys out that haven't been in March, you guys will be getting some phone calls. That's why we are taking attendance. We are expecting you to not only log into Canvas, but also to turn in work. So, let's go ahead and go in here to Knowledge Matters. Sorry, guys, if you hear the growling, those are my chihuahuas. And just get locked in here. Let me make this a little bit smaller. There we go. So when I go in here, I can just log into student progress. And here we can see everybody that's logged in and done some assignments. So we've got some work to do. Not everybody is logged in. Not everybody's doing assignments. Guys, you've got to earn this grade. You cannot, I emphasize on this, I do not want you to have to redo this or take even a portion of it during the summer. So you don't want to be a trimester quarter short. So it's really important for you guys to do this. I could add in some book work along with this. I can add in some big projects along with this. But right now, because I know you're busy with other classes, this is what I worked out. But if you would like to do some additional work along with this is still going to be the expectation. We can totally negotiate and do that. We can do a big entrepreneurship written project, whatever we choose at this point. But As you can see, some of you guys are doing a fantastic job. Good job, Josh. You're knocking it out. Quite a few of you are in here. Spend. It is the expectation is you spend no more than 30 minutes a class period. Figure out how you're going to do this for this class. Set out time. I'm going to sit and do this. Do 30 minutes Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and knock out those 2 lessons. Do 30 minutes every single day to catch up for those of you that haven't been doing that. Spend an hour. Whatever you can do, you need to do that, but you should be able to finish. You should be caught up to lessons, I think, 10 and 11 by the end of this week. So that's really important. Again, we're doing ABCI. You're going to have to make this up one way or another if you do not complete this. You guys get through this, you'll be getting an A in the class. If you don't, you'll be getting an I. So please make sure that you're doing this work. I'll be sending emails out also to parents. By the end of the day, I'll be taking attendance. I'm turning my attendance in at noon, so if you haven't logged into the classes, you will be marked absent. So we'll have to figure out how to reach you and get you the information that you need. So thanks, guys. Again, sorry it's not ideal. I definitely miss you guys. I wish the student store was open. I had a lot of stuff I had to go through and toss out the other day. It's just been it's strange. It is completely strange, and I understand, and I'm sorry. But please do your work. We'll talk to you soon.